PU2 champions, with just few days left for your second PUC final board exams, you have a vast syllabus to complete, so many chapters to revise and so many questions to practice. And at this point of time, it becomes really difficult to have a track of your progress. So to help you with this, recently I have started a 21 days challenge to complete the entire PCM syllabus in 21 days. Here every day I am assigning you 2 chapters to complete, to revise and practice its important question. But my dear children, tracking is very important. So to help you with this, now I have prepared a very good study tracker for all of you, where you can track each and every day your progress. You can understand how many chapters you have completed, how much is pending, what you have done and what you have missed. During my board exam, I also used to follow a tracker which helped me to track my progress, and overall it helped me to get good marks in my board exams. So now let me show you the tracker that I have prepared for you to track your progress. So you can see the entire 21-day challenge schedule is written here. Day-wise date is there, and the chapters that has been assigned you is written here. And then you can see revision done and question done. With that checklist, check boxes are there. So if you have completed the revision of the chapter, then you need to tick here. And if you have completed the question done, you have already practiced the most important questions from the PDF that I have provided. You have to check the questions done checkbox. So with this, you can track every day what you have completed, whether you have completed the challenge or not, how much is pending. You can track that. How to use this tracker? The link of this tracker is there in the description section. You can check there. Now, those students who are going to use it on their phone, please install the Google Sheet app first. For laptop, for those students who are going to use it on laptop, it is not required. Okay. Now, after that, click on the link and make a copy of this tracker. Okay. You can see on the screen how to create a copy, and after that, this tracker will be your personalized tracker. Okay. You can, if you want, you can add other subjects also, or any comments, whatever you want, you can make it according to your convenience. So what you have to do every day is to revise the chapters assigned to you, practice the important questions from the PDF provided, and at the end of the day, you have to use this tracker and mark it. So for example, if you have completed the electric charges and field revision, just click it and check this box. If you have practiced the questions from this chapter, check this box. So this will give you a clear visibility of what is completed and what is pending. Okay, so track it and win it. The link of the tracker is there in the description section, and the 21 days challenge playlist link is also there in the description section. So please go check it,